7 a.m. Almost 7 a.m. Heading down to breakfast. Have a complimentary breakfast. We'll see what that's all about. Then we're gonna head to the job. See what I got. I definitely got some stuff here. It's actually raining today. Being a new construction, it's pretty much mud since there's no driveway technically. Just a little bit of gravel. So you get a little bit muddy. Sure, the whole trip on the way to the job, it's about 18-minute drive. 12 miles. It's definitely more populated over here, but once we go over that bridge, it's wide open. Rhine Cliff Bridge. That's the bridge you gotta take. Of course, it's all on it. So it's right over the Hudson River. Look at that view. Pretty nice. That river runs all the way down to New York City. It's like to actually fish in that river. Me being a bass fisherman, it's gotta be plenty of bass in there. Alright guys, I'm almost at the job, 10 minutes away or so. I will check in with you later. Give you guys a quick peek. So this is the site. The roof on the house. You walk through. Got some art export going up. Sweetie Sublime and Dry. Plenty of mud. Tile in this room here. And going around this powder room. Got the master bath here. Yes, they came in, put down some board and Deetra is in here. All heat. So the shower that's going in, big one. There we go. That's one part of it. I'll show you the rest at another point. Okay, guys. Hudson River. Just left the job. It's 5:47. On the way back to the hotel. There you go. Hudson River. A little foggy, rainy day today in March. But I'm headed, actually no, I'm not going to the hotel. I'm going to ShopRite again. I went there last night. Heading back over there, I got to get a few things. Primarily bags to put my, because I'm making peanut butter and jelly sandwiches for lunch. So get some bags for that and something else I wrote down that I potentially will need. So heading over there now to get that. Then back to the hotel. But I had a long day on site, just over 10 hours on site. Got some stuff done though, that's for sure. But a lot of work in this job. I mean, this job is definitely a lot of work. A lot of tile going up in this job, especially in the master. We're doing 24 by 24s. I was told around all the walls in the master except for the one toilet area section, so a lot of work, but that's why I'm here. Get it going, get it done right. It's pretty much been raining all day here in upstate New York, but it's very wide open out here. Like I was saying, it's very raw. There's a little runway there for some planes. Let's exit here. Rock cliff over there. Pretty much up in the mountains up here. It is 45 degrees according to my truck here. It's never exactly accurate, but somewhat within the range. Should be right over here. Yeah, looks like I'm pulling in the back. Yes, I went to the hotel first, then the shop right over here. Here we are, back at the ShopRite. Okay, I'm out of there now. Got my bags and some more aerated back there, if you can see that. Now I'm gonna head back to the hotel. And passing by all these restaurants. I want to eat at one of these, but do not want to spend the money, that's for sure. head back to the room. Let's bring a few things. Go around. Note to myself next time, bring some bags so I could get stuff in and up to the room a little bit easier if you want to bring things up as I want, as I need. So I'm gonna bring this up here. All right, we're at the hotel, motel, Holiday Inn. That's where I'm at. Good evening. Good, thank you. Check out the pool. Pool's closed. Ah, it says it's closed, so smack in this fitness center gym. Might be hitting this up shortly. Do a little walking. Hi. Okay, I have one issue with my my remote in my room. It's turning the TV on, but then it doesn't work from there. I think the batteries are gone because it's not flashing on the front when I use it.
Okay.
Just a few new batteries and I'll fix it.
See if I can find the batteries.
Okay.
Do you know what kind of batteries are?
I think it's a AA or AAA. It's one of those.
I just want to give you batteries that actually work, just in case.
Okay.
So I'm so sorry.
No problem.
I have AA.
Okay, let's try that.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Yeah, of course. Let me know if it works. You can always call down too.
All right, thank you.
Have a good night.
You too. So I got some new batteries. AA. I'm not sure if it's AA or AAA, but I'm gonna find out. So I got the TV to turn on, but I could not change the channel, which was fine. Got my laptop. I can always watch something on there, which I pretty much did. Okay, I'm gonna hit the gym for a little bit. I'll give you guys an update potentially again this evening and go from there. See you in a minute.